Welcome back to another video. My name's Max. It's a hot day at John Kleis Cardio, and today I'm sat in a BMW F30. I'm here to show you the ZZ2 10.25 inch screen replacement that we fitted in this BMW 3 Series. Here is the ZZ2 display. Beforehand, there was a very small 6-inch screen here, which is probably about that big. Maybe Paige will overlay that now. This display is touchscreen. It's got an anti-glare layer over the top of it. It gives you Apple CarPlay and Android Auto all wirelessly working through the factory system. It's a really neat and tidy system. Sort of looks like the original screens on the newer ones that come in the later BMWs. This particular screen will work in 1 Series, 3 Series. There's an option for 5 Series, 6 Series, etc, etc. So yeah, if you want Apple CarPlay in your BMW, this is a good one to go for. Screen's very responsive. Got all your you'll use DAB radio apps for listening to radio after having this fitted, but you'll be able to use navigation apps like Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze. TomTom Go is a great one as well. But yeah, it all fits in there really nicely. Gets you Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on the factory screen. You do still have the original menu, so you control it either via the touchscreen, or you can actually use the iDrive controller, so you can use your wheel to navigate around the system, which is nice and handy. You can hold the button to flick back to the factory system. It utilizes the factory system's Bluetooth for the calls and music, so you retain that good BMW call and audio quality, and obviously it will carry on working with your steering wheel controls for skipping tracks, adjusting the volume, answering the phone, all of that jazz. This is the ZZ2 display. To go back to CarPlay, we do is just tap on the screen, and yeah, like you see here, so I can use this wheel to rotate around the system, select into it, use the back button for going back and going back to the main menus. But yeah, this is a fantastic display. This is the maximum size display you could get from these from factory is an 8.8 inch. So if you desire even larger screen, this 10.25 is a nice option. But yeah, just gives you a bit of a view on how it looks just around the sides and back of it. Yeah, it all fits in there nice and securely. And yeah, a great option. Many thanks for watching this video. This is a ZZ2 display fitted into a BMW 3 Series 2013. We have actually also added a reverse camera to this just to add on, put it into reverse. And this is an aftermarket camera customers had fitted by us. It's all built into the handle and it looks a little bit like that. So yeah, if you want a reverse camera as well, we do also have the option to add a reverse camera with this solution. Many thanks for watching the video. Take care, and we'll see you in the next one. Hit us in the comments with any questions. Take care and goodbye.